Hey friends, in this lesson, we're learning how to calculate the greatest common divisor, or GCD, of two integers using JavaScript. This is useful in math problems, data grouping, cryptography, and more. We'll use the classic Euclidean algorithm to compute it efficiently. Let's break it down. Looking for the biggest number that divides both inputs with no remainder. This is known as the GCD. The Euclidean method repeatedly divides and takes a remainder until it hits zero. Let's see how to code it. We start by validating both inputs are numbers. Next, we use math to ensure we're working with positive values. Then, we apply the Euclidean algorithm. Keep replacing x and y with the remainder until y becomes 0. When the loop ends, x holds the GCD. This is how the Euclidean algorithm functions. You repeatedly take the remainder of the division, reassign, and loop. Once the second number hits 0, the first number is your GCD. Let's apply it a couple of times. Let's apply it to a couple of examples. In the first example, 12 and 13 share no common factors other than 1, so GCD is 1. In the second case, 3 divides 9 perfectly, so the GCD is 3. The algorithm works for any pair of integers. The GCD has many real-world uses. It is essential in reducing fractions, calculating steps in games, and even in cryptography like RSA key generation. Mastering this is handy beyond just math classes. We've built a GCD function that's both powerful and elegant. Using the Euclidean approach, it efficiently calculates the greatest divisor of two numbers. You can use it in many practical coding challenges. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.